Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share a video on the propagation of marigold by cutting. So please join me in. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share. I have taken 4 cuttings of a marigold and now I have to remove these extra leaves. For growing marigold cutting, I am using fine reversion. I didn't use any fertilizer here. Now it's ready to be planted. After planting this, you have to keep it in indirect sunlight in a bright light area and water 4 to 5 times in a week. It will take 20 to 30 days for the root to establish. Hello everyone, this is day 32. Now let's check the root of the marigold that we have planted 32 days ago. Look at the root, it's growing so healthy, right? Now the plant is ready to be planted in another container using a fertilizer. Now I will plant this marigold in a rectangular shaped container using 50% garden soil, 30% vermicompost and 20% river sand. After planting this, I will place this in indirect sunlight in a bright light area for a week, and after that I will place it in an area where it gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. I will end this video here. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.